Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy BNB on Coinbase Wallet. So if you also want to buy BNB on Coinbase Wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Coinbase Wallet application. Make sure you're logged into the wallet. First of all, you'll be led to the profile interface. Here you can see several informations. You can see your available balance over here. You can also see the option for buy, swap and cash out. If you want to buy the BNB, what you have to do is tap on the buy option that you can see on the screen. You can see over here Coinbase Wallet does not support buying crypto in my region, but I will guide you through the process. So after you tap on the buy option, you'll be led to the buying interface. There you have to enter the amount. Simply tap on the amount option and enter the amount of BNB that you want to buy. And then what you have to do is select the network. Select the network of your choice and then you'll have to select the asset. Tap on the asset option and among all the assets you'll have to select BNB. After that you'll have to choose the payment method and after you complete the payment you'll be able to buy the BNB. So that is how you buy BNB on Coinbase Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.